Welcome to Welco Expediting Limited's demonstration on how to use FL Smith's WearMax Quick Set materials. First, we will give you a brief overview and explanation on how to use the WearMax kit. FL Smith's WearMax Trial Kit consists of two 7 kg kits of trowelable WearMax Quick Set material, two 250 ml bottles of WearMax hardening catalysts, two sets of protective gloves, one metal spatula, and one board to mix the materials on. When handling and mixing WearMax, take the necessary safety precautions by wearing protective clothing, eye protection, and nitrile gloves. As there are corrosive materials involved in this process, the proper personal protective equipment is necessary. Prior to emptying the WearMax material onto the board, shake the hardener bottle to ensure the dye is mixed thoroughly. Empty the 7 kg of WearMax material onto the board supplied. We will be using 1/4 of the WearMax material for our smaller application. The remaining material will be placed back into the original container for future use. Once the WearMax material has been placed on the board, create a dam to assist in the addition of the hardener. Pour 1/4 of the hardener into the WearMax material. There are graduation marks on the hardener bottle to indicate 1/4, 1/2, and 3/4 for ease of mixing. Once you have added your desired amount, reapply the lid to the hardener as it is made of corrosive material. After the hardener is poured onto the WearMax material, start mixing the two together with your gloved hands. The quantity of the WearMax material and the hardener must be thoroughly mixed together. The dye in the hardener will give the indication when the mixture is of even color and consistency. This will take approximately 7 minutes. Once the WearMax materials have been effectively mixed together, WearMax has a working life of 15 minutes. This indicates the WearMax material should be applied to the required parts within this 15-minute time frame. Prior to applying WearMax, the surface should be clean, dry, and free from flaking rust. In these examples, we will be applying WearMax to a cone section and an inlet head. The mixed WearMax can be applied to the surface with a pushing motion. This eliminates any air bubbles and ensures good adhesion to the surface being coated. If a smoother finish is required, a wet, clean working tool or your gloved hands with water will smooth out the final strokes. Here's what WearMax looks like after being initially applied. And finally, here is an example of WearMax fully cured in 24 hours. WearMax provides you with a solution to protect and patch bulk material handling and process equipment, while minimizing overall downtime. To find out more information on FL Smith's WearMax, visit www.wearmax.ca or contact Welco Expediting Limited today.